let's go and put the headlight back in. I'm not going to plug it in until after I got the headlight in, because pulling it out was a little bit of a snug with the headlight plugged in. You could take this cover off. It'd probably be easier because you got to sneak this guy underneath it. So make sure you get, you know, see, that's got to get snuck in there, up here around the corner and over, all one shot. It should go in pretty easy. And then the top bolt right here has a little tiny nipple on the headlight right here where it clips in and it's holding in place. So that will keep you in place. What I do then is I hand tight a few times on every bolt. And remember that alignment clip I was telling you about? This thing has a little bit of a circle on the fender. This goes in there, and that will hold the headlight like it was where it was supposed to be originally. And then obviously if the car's been wrecked, you might have to smudge it here and there to get everything to fit perfect to your liking. And then, you know, you do what you got to do on that. You could use a screwdriver if you got enough power to get to these guys, but I'll put this one in here. Then got one right here. Oh, you can see it right there. So we're going to tighten these up a little bit. Again, it's plastic, so you don't want to wail into any of this stuff. And the reason why they make everything plastic is so they're trying to save weight. And weight, gas miles, it's all. So I got the headlight back on the car. Now, you can usually use household tools. Phillips screwdriver, number 10, flathead. Make sure you plug the headlight in. We're gonna have to take the snorkel out. Oh, let's do this first. Let's put this cover back on so we don't lose the clips. It just slides right over the top. Very self-explanatory, because you just line up the holes and put these clips back in. Okay, it's all back together. Only thing is left, I gotta plug it in, and I can't do it from here. So these rubberized clips right here, get underneath it, get these guys out. These are weird looking clips. Never seen one of these kind, but it's the snorkel. Pull that out. Come here, take a look. You can get in here and you can see the plug. Plug this in. Make sure when you put it in, it goes clip. Same thing with this headlight. Here, let me switch hands so you guys can see. Right here. Make sure when you push it in, you hear the click. That will ensure the connectivity, so then you're not messaging us, telling us we screwed up your car. Oh, do this stuff at your own risk. That's the warning. It's pretty easy though, can't mess it up. And the headlights don't need to be programmed. They'll work just fine, as far as I know. They haven't got the BMW status yet to make everything complicated, so everything's got to go to the dealership. Put these clips back in. That's it pretty much on changing the headlight out. So hopefully you don't break one. Call us. We should have some headlights in stock. If we don't, Shingle Spring Subaru has them. Talk to Jason or Mark too. That's it on your headlight deal.